A little-known immigration law makes it a federal crime to encourage someone to come to or remain in the U.S. illegally, punishable by up to 5 years in prison.
This isn't about smuggling or trafficking, it's about just encouraging.
Attorney Mark Fleming represents an immigration lawyer who was charged under the law. Fleming says the law is overly broad and a violation of the First Amendment.
It would capture a teacher who says to an undocumented student, you should stay here and be educated in the United States. It would capture a doctor who says to a patient, you should stay here so I can treat your cancer.
The Department of Homeland Security told us it would not comment on camera on this case because it's pending before the Supreme Court. But in court, the government's lawyer argued that this immigration statute has never been used to prosecute free speech. In this case, the immigration lawyer was also charged with running an immigration fraud, taking immigrants' money while knowing she could do nothing to help them. Chief Justice John Roberts asked the government's lawyer whether family members could be prosecuted for wishing they weren't separated. Brian Griffey with Amnesty International says yes.
A grandchild who's wishing that her grandmother will stay in the U.S. when she doesn't have any documentation could be considered by the Trump administration to be a human smuggler.
It can't have a statute that's overbroad, sitting on the books, terrifying people who want to engage in protected speech.
A decision in this case is expected by June. In Washington, Alexandra Limon.